Hi, angels. Welcome back to another DIY. So, I do apologize if your graduation is canceled, but if it's not and you're looking for a easy DIY for your graduation cap, then keep on watching. So, I think it was last year I made a crown headphones. So, I'm just going to be reusing the crown onto this DIY. So supplies needed. You guys obviously need a graduation cap. You're gonna need a glitter paper. I think that's what it's called, a glitter paper. You're gonna need your scissors. You're gonna need feather trim. You're gonna need a crown, obviously. You need your scissors. Definitely recommend using a hot glue gun. You're gonna need your peel off leather stickers. You can get those from Amazon or from the dollar store, wherever. And I think that's it. Oh, you're gonna need your LED lights if you want. It all depends on how you're gonna do this. So what I did was, for this glitter paper, I just placed it on top of the graduation cap, traced it out, put a hole in the middle of it so that the little thing in the middle can be sticking out, and then now I'm just gluing on everything together. And that's it. Well, that's not it, but this is the beginning step. So yeah, we're gonna be gluing this thing on. Make sure you glue it on properly so that the sides don't be lifting up or anything like that. I'm going to be doing the exact same thing because remember, you want to cover up the graduation cap as much as you possibly can. So and boom, this is how it looks when it's fully covered. So the next step is, I got these LED lights from Amazon. It is purple. I don't really like purple, but I wanted to add a splash of color because this graduation cap is inspired by Ariana Grande. So wanted to make it a little girly as possible. So I'm just trying to like untangle it so I can see how much of it that is available, because I usually don't do those kind of stuff. Yep. And I'm gonna turn it on just to show you guys how it looks. So that's how it looks. It's purple, and it's gonna be able to fit all the way around the graduation cap, and you're gonna have some left over. So yep. By the way, I tried on the cap and then I put the crown on top of it just to see how it would look, and that's how I figure out that's where it needs to be placed. This feather trim right here, I think I got it from Joann's a while back ago, and these are the peel off stickers, letters that I was talking about that we're going to be using. So we're going to put on there, thank you next. The crown is going to be in the middle, and obviously the feather trim is going to be all the way around it. So before you actually even start doing anything, make sure you place everything down first just to get an idea of how everything looks before you start gluing on anything and start sticking anything on. I was thinking about adding these 3D butterflies, but there wasn't really any more room left, so decided not to do it. Now with this feather trim, I would 158% tell you guys to add a lot of glue because I was only using a little bit. Don't know why. And then when I started adding on more stuff, I realized that, oh, I didn't glue it down properly. There's still spaces in between. So need to apply a large sum of glue, press down on it, and then just keep on moving it slowly down. And that way you can make sure you glue it down properly. Even right there, that's way too small amount. So make sure that you're using a lot. This is the first step, gluing it all the way around in a circle. Cutting it off because you don't need all of it. Adding on your glue. And voila, finished to go. It looks good right there. You could have just left it just the way how it is. Looks so cute. So next thing we're gonna do is obviously apply more glue because that side was lifting up. I didn't press down on it enough, but yep. Now I'm gonna place down the letters on there and then start peeling off the back of it so that I could add on the stuff as I go all the way around. This is very easy. Just peel off the back and then apply it on there. And it sticks down very good. You don't have to worry about it lifting up or anything like that. This works perfectly. And now all I'm gonna do is just glue down the crown in the middle of it. Right there, and you're good. The crown is gonna stick on there very good, so just applying a little amount of glue, letting it stick, and you're good to go. By the way, this crown isn't flat, so not all of it was on the surface of the cap, only a small amount, so that's all that I'm gluing on right there so it can stick down on it. And now this is the last step, adding in the LED lights. So first thing first, I was just like trying to figure out how I was supposed to put on the lights. You can either use some tape to tape it down, or you can do what I'm doing using a hot glue gun. A small amount, like a little smidge, a little drop, teardrop, and you'll be good to go. So I'm just using a hot glue gun. I'm just turning it on just to see how it looks, making sure that the lights go all the way around. And now I'm just going to be gluing on in between. Do not glue on the lights, just glue where there's no lights, there's a little bulb or anything like that, or else that light won't be working. So that's what I'm doing right here, and this is the last and final steps. So this is basically the whole video. By the way, the little feathers on top of it, I pressed over a little bit so that it can cover up so that you don't see the glue. So I had all of this left over, and all I did was just flip over the graduation cap. You can either use tape and tape everything down, or you can do what I'm doing right here and then just glue everything down. Just glue the back of this thing that controls the light on and off, and this extra little string that you have. The glue, we're using the glue and a little sticker just to hold it down, making sure that it doesn't lift up or anything like that. And this is how it turned out. What do you guys think? Thank you next. Swap the letter. So this is how the graduation cap turned out. The little slash that usually has on it with the year that you graduate. I don't know where I put it, so unfortunately I lost it. But yeah, this is like the whole video. I hope that you guys like it. And hopefully I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.